Shoulder. There you go. 1, 2. There you go. That is how you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This guy's like a machine. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. Big round of applause. Good clean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that is it.
You were by Louisville, Kentucky.
Kind of. Nope.
Maybe not.
Try again.
Do it.
You gotta give it everything, man. Oh, man.
Alright.
Oh, so close. That is a tough. Give Dustin a big round of applause. He was not planning on doing this today, but his friends convinced him to try.
Peer pressure, peer pressure.
Good job, good job, good job.
1. Oh. Tougher than it looks. But thank you for trying. All right, is it? Stu Rosendahl is going to try. He is a performer, though, so this does not count.
Oh, so
He will be performing shortly as well.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now it is time for Mr. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Squeeze, keep it stable.
5,
I believe in Rogowski.
6, 7. He's got the forearms, folks. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Come on, get it. Squeeze.
13, 14,
There you go.
Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
15.
Squeeze. Very good, Mr. Rogowski.
And fell asleep.
All right.
This isn't even fair. Felt pretty good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Very good. Mr. Rogowski, you are up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
No way.
9,
He's up in the ante.
10,
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
11,